Hey guys, I'm Jam. Welcome back to my channel. We are back once again with another VA agency review. This time nakita ko to kay Mom si Mary. Vlog Mary, thank you for giving this making this content na nakita ko tong Go2. Today pag-uusapan natin yung Go2. Previously, yung first episode pinag-usapan natin ay yung Magic. So, I haven't seen that yet. Check that out. Tapong kayo na-upload yun. But for today, we are gonna go for Go2. So, oh, it's my first time to actually like hear who Go2 is. So, ang mga general rules na in-offer nila is CSR, team leader, sales, e-commerce, and admin assistance. Sabi nila, why work with Go2? Number one, competitive rates and appraisals. Paid time off and holidays, no long commutes. Of course, it's permanent work from home. No corporate attire, career growth, and skills development, and it's a permanent work from home. So, there you go. Let's check it out. Ayan. So, oh my gosh. Dito tayo sa how we hire. Let's go through their application process. Ayan. First is you will apply para mag-join ng kanilang pool. So, you will go through an application, parang pre-qualifying process ata. Later, let's check on the application process ourselves. Um, But since you're in the if you join the pool, it doesn't mean that you're hired already. You're just part of the pool. Not just like other agencies as well. Tapos, you will go through a candidate pool interview. Sabi dito, we have back-to-back candidate pool interview process that help us validate your skills. So, feeling ko sa part na to, ang mag-interview ay yung recruitment ng Go2 na VA agency. After that, pag may na-skill match sila, then you will be interviewed by the partner interview, which is feeling ko, ito na ang client interview. Pag pumasa ka, then you got the job. Okay? So that's the what do you call this? The process. But before we go to the process, FAQs muna tayo. Pre-application, common questions about applying. Okay, let's go through do that. And what is the required work experience? Sabi nga, unless otherwise specified in the job post, all our remote opportunities requires at least 1 year of work experience. So, hindi naman nakaspecify dyan na dapat 1 year VA experience or 1 year na tawag dito, remote work experience from the US. Sabi dito, 1 year work experience, baka yung previous job mo, no? Kung saan ka galing na face-to-face job, yung regular job ay pasok na. May age limit ba? No. Okay, no age limit. What are the minimum computer requirements? So ito siya, minimum technical requirements. Ito, okay. CPU is at least i3 or AMD Ryzen 3 for Mac devices at least 2012 model or newer. RAM is 8 gig. OS is for Windows 10 or latest, or Mac OS Catalina 10.5 for the latest. Internet requirements, stable ping 80 ms or less than Mbps download and 10 Mbps upload speed. Headset is very important for them, no? And working webcam and decent video quality. So, yan ang kanilang requirements, mga mi. Let's go back. Will Go to provide me equipment if I'm hired? No. Just like just like most of the VA agencies ngayon, mga beshi, they do not require. They do not provide pala equipment. Okay? Can I still apply even if I don't meet the harder requirements? Ideally, we would not apply. We will reject your application if any required. Okay, so very straightforward sila na pag hindi mo na-hit yung kanilang minimum tech requirements, then they will not accept you. Ayan. Okay, what will my work schedule be if I get placed on a Go2 partner? There's no fixed schedule daw. Okay? It depends on the needs of the client, no? So, but most of our partners have companies based in the US and operate between 8 a.m. Either in 8 to 6 p.m. either in EST or PST. All right. You also have partners in ito Australian guys, umaga. naghahanap kayo ng morning shift Australian or kung hapon na shift UK. Ayan, okay. So, depende siya, guys. What types of role do you place or support? All roles are remote, so permanent work from home siya ibig sabihin. But majorities na are customer service. Ayan, okay. So yung mga partners nila come from industries such as e-commerce, B2B, SaaS, and even mom and pop shops. So, yun yung mga industry na hawak nila. How much is your starting rate? We offer competitive rates, usually higher than the going rate in most countries. So, go to our base on merit experience and you are always welcome to negotiate. So, you can negotiate. Pero wala silang dinidisclose na hourly rate, guys. What is your payroll payout process and schedule? Every week ang payroll processing nila. So you work for 2 weeks and on the third week you get paid. Okay. All right. Yung ginagamit nilang platform is Deal, meaning you can connect your PayPal, Payoneer, etc. to your Deal account so you can get paid in crypto. Okay. Payment processing always takes place by Friday the following week. Okay, you are responsible for reporting your income and paying in tax. Of course, sa lahat naman yan, guys. Okay. What are your company benefits? Nasagot na natin yan kanina. So, paid time off, flexible holiday pay, paid parental leave, etc. We have an employee assistant program for maintaining your mental health. Uy, ganda to ah. May mental health ano sila program. Merong career development coaching as well. That's good. Wow. Our benchmark is to pay you enough the cost of your purchasing. So, they will give you high average pay para kaya mo mag-HMO. Baka afford ng HMO. Ayan. Okay. So, they don't provide HMO directly. They have part-time work? No. So, full-time work lang siya. Do you have non-voice account? Yes. Oo. Pero if you're only interested in non-voice account and are not open to taking inbound, etc., Go2 might be the best fit. So, kung puro non tawag dito, non-voice account ka, this is not for you. Ayan. Okay. So, tignan niyo na lang guys yung mga ibang tawag dito, FAQ sila, but it looks promising. Okay. Yun nga lang, wala silang application form. Let's go through the application process, no? Become a go-to teammate. So, general roles, CSR, TSR, team leader, sales, e-commerce, and admin tasks. Okay. Our open career are the following. Ayan, ito yung mga description. Sales-related roles, appointment setting, lead gen, upselling, hard selling, combined sales, etc. Admin-related roles, executive assistant, back office, back and admin, etc. Customer-related roles, consumer product support, e-commerce, social media management, receptionist or concierge, etc. Technical support, IT support, tech support. Ito, tech support to tech troubleshooting, ISP support, etc. Specialized related roles, lead and managerial related roles. So majority of the clients are US, Eastern, and Pacific time zones with some AU and UK time zones. We take into account your schedule preference and try our best to match it. So it's not guaranteed. Okay. Nice. We would like to set proper expectation that we don't purely no non-voice accounts. Nasagot na natin yung kanina. It depends on your roles. So ito na yung mga job requirements, guys. Experience at least 1 year of work experience. Make sure to submit your most up-to-date resume with complete employment days, month, and year. Some roles may require specialization for a particular tool or software. Make sure to add them in. So when you create a profile for them, put everything in there. Ito na, nasagot ko na yung computer specs, knowledge, strong experience in any of the roles mentioned, knowledge of general office workflows and procedures. My gosh, meron tayong yan, guys, sa ating YouTube channel, no? Some crazy job that was process-driven and you had to figure things out. Skills, capable of articulating thoughts through ideas in English. So may English requirement siya, of course. email management and email etiquette skills in Gmail, scheduling and managing appointments in Google Calendar, above average time management. So, meron tayong mga tutorials yan online, guys, dito sa ating YouTube channel. Abilities, you care about what you're doing, you are comfortable with asking questions, you exhibit personal accountability, you have keen attention to detail, you're resourceful and a problem solver, you are self-motivated and eager to learn, you're a team player, you have the ability to multitask and prioritize projects. So sabi dito, important, make sure that the device you will be using for application will be the device that you are going to use if ever will be part of Go2. Use a computer when applying an updated browser, preferably Google Chrome. When submitting application, please highlight your skill set, experience, and background so you stand out from the rest. So again, guys, may pool to. Importante pag may pool ang isang agency, nagsa-stand out ka. During your interviews, you will gauge your ability to articulate ideas over fluency. Give it your best, answer all the questions, and follow the instructions well. So let's try to apply now. Hi there. So important, guys, when you apply, you read everything, no? Hi there. Excited to learn more about you and support our journey as a member of our community. This is the first step of a multi-step process. Thank you for consideration. Okay, let's type form ang gamit nila. Let's continue. Warning before clicking that big blue dot and fully read the job details before applying. Use the computer internet connection that you cabular. Start. So itong part na to, guys, normally are tawag dito pre-qualifying questions. Okay. Okay, he, him, his. Who are you? Preferred first name. It doesn't have to be a formal name. And your last name. So, wait, what your friends call you? And your last name. Okay, jam.blauta. Let's see. Number, Philippines. I don't wanna show this part. Um, i-cut ko. Tapos, after neto, guys, dun tayo sa next, ha? What's your email? Ayan na. jam.blauta@gmail.com. Are you able to work full-time? We only place people in full-time roles. Yes. In the next session, we'll gather information about your computer hardware. Okay. So dito, ito na, guys. Meron silang internet speed check. And you have to follow all the steps and everything. Okay. Type form siya, so paisa-isa. Hindi natin makita yung whole form. Pero I don't know if I should go through this process, pero I don't think dapat mag-go through ako ng process kasi baka ma-register yung profile ko sa kanila. But at least you guys know na when it comes to rates, above average pay sila sa rates. They don't know, tawag dito, they did not disclose, they don't give HMO, pero with the amount of money that you will get daw here, guys, you can afford HMO already. Hindi siya particular na kailangan 1 year of VA experience or BPO. Ang particular sila is one year work experience kahit saan ka nanggaling. Basta yung basic requirements and skills and everything ay pasok. So, guys, go to. Recommended to ni Bloggy Mary, so I'm sure okay siya. And let me know if you're from Go2. Comment here, no, your experience, kamusta? Maganda kasi kung may actual reviews by actual Go2 VAs. You know, drop it dyan sa comment section. If you feel like this is helpful, and if you want more, please subscribe, okay, like, and comment here yung next na tawag dito, VA agencies that I should review. That's it for you for today. Thank you, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye!